Hello student, today we will see some more example on a DFSM. The given question is, draw the DFSM to accept the strings of A's and B's which end with the string ABB. So here the valid strings in the given language are the strings which end with the ABB. So at the end the string should contain ABB. So before that it may contain any number of A's and any number of B's. So what is the first step? First we should write what? The valid string list. So valid string list contains a minimum string that is ABB. It is ending with the ABB. Next AABB. Next ABABB. Next BBABB. Next ABABABB. So these all are the valid string list. Next, invalid string list. So the practice of writing the invalid string list is very useful when you check the DFSM. So here A will come in the invalid string list because it is not ending with the ABB. Next B, ABB, A. So here it is not ending with the ABB. Next AB, BA, next BA, BA, and so on are the invalid strings in the language. So first step is over. What is the second step? Second step, we should draw the basic structure of a DFSM. So how to draw the basic structure? We should check the minimum string occurred in the valid string list. So the minimum string is what? ABB. How many characters are there? 3 characters are there. So how many states are required to accept these 3 characters? 4 states. So I will draw the basic structure of a DFSM. So 4 states are required. First I will draw the 4th state. I will name them Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. So what is the minimum string occurred in the language? A, B, B. So if A, B, B come, then it should reach what? The final state. So Q3, I make this as a final state. So basic structure I had drawn. Next we should think about the remaining transitions from each of the state. So as this is a DFSM, you must show the transitions for A and B from each of the state. So check out which all transition I must show. From Q0 state I had shown A ka transition, I must show what? B ka transition. Next from Q1 state B ka transition is over, I must show A ka transition. Next take a Q2 state. From Q2 state I had shown B ka transition, I must show A ka transition. Take a last state, that is Q3, I must show A and B both transition from this state. Okay, so we should show the transitions of these from each of the state without the violation of a given condition. So what is the given condition here? See, the string should end with the ABB. Okay, keep that in mind and show the remaining transitions. So Q0 state, take a first state, Q0 state. So A ka transition already I had shown. B ka transition, where I should show the B ka transition. So shall I take a loop for B ka transition? Yes, I can take a loop here. See, loop indicate what? 0 or any number of occurrence of a B symbol in the language. Okay, so if B come initially, that will be get accepted. Then any number of B's are get accepted here. It will be in the same state. It will move to the final state only when A, B, B occur. Okay, so initially it may accept what? Any number of B's. After that if A, B, B come, then it will move to the final state. Okay, so I can show a B ka transition as a loop for Q0 state. So this is over. Then take a second state. What is the second state here? Q1 state. B ka transition already shown. A ka transition where I should show? So shall I take a loop? First check for the loop. So here if I take a loop for A, then check out whether it violates the given condition. The violation of the given condition is not there, then you can show the A ka transition as a loop here. Okay. So if one A come, okay, then it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. If more than one A's come, that will be get accepted, then it will move to the final state only when the B come. So it start accepting what? This string A, B. If one A come, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. When second A occur, it will accept and it will be in the same state, that is Q1 state. Next, when first B come, it will change state from Q1 to Q2. When second B come, it will change the state from Q2 to Q3. So I can show the loop for A to this state. Next, take a next state, that is Q2 state. So Q2 state I must show what? A ka transition. So check out whether I can take a loop for this. Okay. So if I take a loop, what happen? The DFSM start accepting the string, that is AB. See, if one A come, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. When B come, it will change the state from Q1 to Q2. When A come, it will get accepted by this Q2 state. When B come, it will move to the final state. Once it reach the final state, the meaning is what? The string get accepted. Whether this string is a valid string, whether this string is a valid string in a given language, no, it is not a valid string. So I can't show the loop here for this A. If I show the loop, it accept what? It start accepting invalid strings also. So I can't show the loop here. Then you check for the back transitions. Okay. So if I give a back transition to a Q1 state for A, then check out whether it violates the given condition. See, when A come, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. When B come, it will change the state from Q1 to Q2. When A come, it will move back to Q1. If any number of A's come, it will be get accepted here only. It will reach the final state when B occur. So A, then B, then any number of A's, then B. So that is also a valid string here. So I can show a back transition to this state, Q2 to Q1 state for this input symbol A. Then we check for the Q3 state. See, Q3 state, if I take a loop for A or a B, then what happen? The string may end with what? It may end with any of these symbols, A, A, AB. Okay, so I can't take a loop here. So loop is not possible here. So what is the next step? I should check the back transitions. If I give A ka transition here or B ka transition here, what happen? A, B. If A come, it will move here, then B. Okay, so A, B, next A, B. So it is ending with what? B. So not possible. So what is the next step? Shall I give a back transition to this state for A? So this is a correct one because A, B. If A come, it will move here. It will end only when the B occur. Okay, so I can give a back transition to Q1 state. What about the B ka transition from Q3 state? So Q3 state B ka transition I can show from Q3 to Q1 state. Okay, so here I can give a B ka transition. So if A, B, if B come, it will move to a Q0 state. It will reach the final state only when A, B occurs. Okay, so this is a DFSM which accept what? The strings of A's and B's ending with A, B. So each time we should check the transitions by giving the loop, by giving a back transitions and so on. Okay, so next step is you should represent this DFSM by using 5 tuples. So what is the first tuple? The first tuple is what? K equal to how many states are there? 4 states are there. Q0, Q1, Q2, next Q3. So 4 states will come. What is the start state here? Q0 is the start state. What is the accepting state? Q3 is the accepting state. Next, What are the alphabets here? A and B are the alphabets. Next, the transition function. As I said, you are going to map the transition function by taking the states and input character. So states are the row values here. So Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and A, B are the column values. Q0 of A, where I reach Q0 of A, after accepting A, I will reach a Q1 state. Q0 of B, Q0 of B, it is a loop, so I will be in the same state. Q1 of A, so Q1 of A, I will be in the same state, that is Q1. Q1 of B, Q2. Next, Q2 of A, Q2 of A is Q1, Q2 of B is Q3. Next, Q3 of A is Q1 and Q3 of B is Q0. So check out whether this DFSM accepts all the valid string or no. So if I take this string A, B. So when A come, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. When B come, it will change the state from Q1 to Q2. When A come, it will move back to Q1. Okay. Then when B come, it will change the state from Q1 to Q2. When next B come, it will change the state from Q2 to Q3, and Q3 is the final state. So this string will get accepted by this DFSM. Take a next string, that is BB, ABB. So when the first B is read, it starts from the Q0 state. When the first B is read, it will be get accepted by the DFSM and it will be in the same state only. When next B come, again it will be accepted by the same state. When A come, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. When next B come, it will change the state from Q1 to Q2. When next B come, it will change state from Q2 to Q3, where Q3 is the final state, so this string get accepted. Next, you take one of the invalid string and check out. That is AABBA is an invalid string. It should not be accepted by your DFSM. So check it out. So when I read a first character, that is A, that will be accepted by this DFSM and it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. When B is read, it will change the state from Q1 to Q2. When one more B come, it will change the state from Q2 to Q3. After that, when A come, it will change the state from Q3 to Q1, where Q1 is what? It is the one of the intermediate state. It is not a accepting state. So this string is not accepted by your DFSM. You check for all these strings, okay? So this DFSM is okay with all these strings, okay? It will accept all the valid strings and it should not accept the invalid strings, okay? So this is about the DFSM which accept the string ending with ABB. Sometime in the exam, they just negate this question and they ask you to draw the DFSM which accept the strings of A's and B's not ending with a string ABB. So when not comes, it is a negation of this. Okay. So that time, what you should do? First, you should draw the DFSM which accept the string ABB. Then you make a change. Okay. This is for a negation I am telling. The second DFSM. So what is the question for the second DFSM? That is draw the DFSM which accept the strings of A's and B's not ending with the ABB. So in the examination they will ask such questions to confuse you people. So what you should do at that time? First you should draw the DFSM which accept the string ABB, this one. After that you change this intermediate states has a final state and final state has a intermediate state. So what DFSM you get at that time? See, Q0, next Q1, so this should be a final state, this is also a final state. Next, Q2 is also a final state. Which one is the intermediate state here? That is Q3 state. So whatever the final states are there in this DFSM, those become a non-final state here. Okay. So Q3 is what? It is a non-final state. After that, give the same transitions. B, then A, this is B ka transition, then A transition, This is B transition here. Then from this state to this state A transition, from this state to this state B transition. Okay, so this DFSM will not accept the string ending with ABB. Check it out. See, the string AB is a valid string in this case. Next, AA is a valid string. Next, ABA is a valid string. AABB is a valid string for this DFSM. Next, ABAA is a valid string. What are the invalid strings here? Invalid string is the string which are ending with ABB. So ABB if come, it should not accept that. Next, ABB not accepted. Next, BABB not accepted. So valid strings of this become a invalid string in this case, and invalid strings of this become a valid strings. Okay, so check it out whether it accepts all these strings or no, valid strings or no. So if A come, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. If B come, it will change the state from Q1 to Q2, so it will get accepted. Next, AA. So if 1A come, it starts from the start state. When it reads the first character A, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. When the second A come, it will read there only and it will be in the same state, and that state is the final state here. So this is also accepted. Next, check out for the invalid string ABB. So if ABB come, if A come, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. If B come, Q1 to Q2. Next, if another B come, it will change the state from Q2 to Q3, where Q3 is not a final state. So this is not accepted by your DFSM. Next, AABB. So 1A, it will change the state from Q0 to Q1. Another B, it will accept here only. Next, when B come, it will come to a Q3 state. So this is not get accepted. So if in the exam they ask a such question, the first step is what? First you should draw the DFSM which accept the particular string. Then you change the final state of that to a non-final state, and the non-final states are changed to a final state. So if you do that, then you get an answer for that question. Thank you.